Okay, if it is if it's Tuesday, it's Taste Test Tuesday, and we're gonna be trying this. Have you ever tried any of the Walden Farms products? I'm backing up a little bit. My tracker's trying to track me. The Walden Farms. Now this says, you can see on the green thing, it's keto friendly. Keto friendly. Hi keto, how are you? Keto friendly, and it has a 1 tablespoon has less than 1 gram of carbs, and has less than 1 gram of dietary fiber. So it's probably a zero carb. Yeah. Well, zero net carbs, 0 calories. So I don't usually drink things that are diet type things. I drink whole milk. I have yogurt. It's the regular Greek yogurt. I don't eat any of the low fat, any of the non-fat. I don't go on the other end of the spectrum and eat the chocolate chip Greek yogurt or the milk or the chocolate milk, for example. But I also use real butter. I don't use any margarine, as far as I know. If I get something like at a diner or something, maybe they make the pancake batter and they plop in some margarine. I don't know. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this today, and I'll let you know if it's good. The reason I got these, if you want to go back and watch that way, if you want to watch the shorts that I make, I went to Grocery Outlet, and I think these were like 79 cents each, and I think their regular price is like $5. I don't know, but they're on deep clearance. You know, if you're Grocery Outlet is a closeout store, so if you have a clearance, not a clearance, if you have a clearance on top of that, it really brings the prices down low. They had everything from pretzels that were $4.99 a bag down to 28 cents. They have the other things, sometimes be $11.99, and it's being sold for 49 cents. So right now, let's go and open this. I don't know if we're gonna need a knife. I have a knife there just in case. And maybe we don't. Just peel back on here. And before I do that, let's go ahead and look at the two things. Don't forget, please subscribe right down there. Subscribe. Please like, please share, and put your comments down below. Have you ever tried a Walden Farms product? Are they known as it says keto friendly? Are they known for making products for diabetics? I'll look it up. I'll look it up. Or for people that are on a low calorie diet, it says it's 0 calories. It's fat free too. So if you are trying to watch your fat intake, it's fat free. If you're trying to watch your caloric intake, it's 0 calories. If you're like me and you got a problem with carbs, it's 0 carbs, 0 net carbs. But I also have to watch my weight, as we all do. Like I said before, almost every single diet issue, health issue, if you lose weight, they say it's a good idea. So if your blood pressure is too high, take care of that item of the blood pressure, which maybe it's like eating less pork, less fried foods, and bring your blood pressure down, but also lose weight. It helps. If you have high cholesterol, high triglycerides like I had, then what you want to do is not you, I'm saying what you would think, you need to take care of that problem. Talk to your doctor, talk to your pharmacist on all of these, and say, what can I do to lower my triglycerides, to lower my cholesterol, to lower my blood pressure, to increase my proteins, increase my energy. There's people that are on diets just because they have low energy, and a lot of those people, I tell them, what I would think you might want to talk to your doctor about is eating more protein-rich foods. Protein, our body burns that protein, that's how we get our energy, and maybe take B12. B12 is also known for that. Some people get B12 shots. You can take over the counter B12. I take B12 if you want to go back that way as well and see what I take in the way of supplements. How I reversed my neuropathy pain. People say it's a cure, and the manager at the time, I think he even put cure. It's not a cure. It just alleviates that pain for me. And 100% of those who tried it, it did it for them as well. So if you want, I'll put it down there. Maybe I'll do that anyhow. Maybe I'll reshare that. A lot of people like that reshare. Okay, so this says small swaps saves calories. So maybe they are supposed to be for calories, or maybe that's just something they're doing this month or this promotional time. You have to refrigerate this after opening it. It is vegan, so that means it's not going to be like half and half of cream. Let's see how they make this thing. Okay, the ingredients are water, titanium dioxide for color, gum, acacia, whatever, a microstelazine or something like that, cellulose. Then there's that erythritol. I think these are like some kind of a sweetener. and it has a xanthan gum, pectin, konjac gum, natural flavors, lactic acid, steviol, glycosides, and salt. I guess I don't know how to pronounce all those. I'll show it to you. They're from Linden, New Jersey. There are, oops, there's the ingredients right there. See the ingredients? And here is the nutritional information. They've already said 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 fat, and it is vegan. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. Does it smell like cream? No. Does it smell like milk? No. What does it smell like? I don't know. Modeling clay? I'm not really sure. So let's go and heat up some water. We're not going to drink that out of the bottle, that's for sure. I guess someone could if they want to try it that way. I'm just not that gung-ho. Has gung-ho been replaced with I'm not that ate up? What is the new military cool hip thing to say? Yeah, you're real gung-ho, aren't you? Man, you're really ate up. But I don't know. What is it? Who knows? Let us retrieve a spoon. Let's use this. Boop, boop, boop. And I'll measure out 1 tablespoon of this. Now, this is not a tablespoon like a baking tablespoon. It just says that that is serving size for 1 tablespoon. I'm going to bring this down so now you can just see the process. Okay, this is a water heater upper. We're going to use some of this Taster's Choice, which is a reasonably priced instant coffee. They make these crystals, and it's pretty good, really. French Roast is this one. They have a regular one, a French Roast, and they have, I think they have decaf. They're their standard one. It's a red label that they had for years and years. And they came out with this and decaf, which is a green label. So let's go and put that down here, and I will be measuring this out. Can you see? You can see. Okay, let's go measure something out. Oh shoot! Let me see if it's really shaped well before serving. Smooth and creamy. No artificial flavors or dyes. That's good, right? No artificial flavors, dyes. No real instructions on that. I'll give it a little swirl. I don't know. Boy, it smells, I don't know, kind of chalky maybe. I don't know. All right, we'll leave that there for now while the waters continue to heat. Now, I don't know if that's good or bad. I mean, the amount I put it, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator because it's in the refrigerator after open. I hope it's good because I bought 6. I think I bought 6. I'll show you. I bought 6, so I have 5 left. Oh, 5 left in here. If any of you are old enough to remember the Milk Man, now it'd be the Milk Person or the Milk Individual, the Milk Delivery Personnel. I don't know what you call it. That kind of sounds like them clanking up the stairs. So this right now, remember this is going to be on Tuesday. Tuesday is the 17th, maybe. I'm filming this early because I just want to try that. And this right here, I think this is 1 tablespoon. I think that's 1 heaping tablespoon, so we'll put it like that. And close that up, maintain the freshness. I will be making one with this, which is a French press. It's a French press called Final Press. It's a little one-man show. You don't make a whole pot of coffee. Now, without burning myself, I'm going to put that knife away that I didn't use. I didn't need the knife to cut the label, so I will be returning this knife to its place. And I'll give this a stir. And I'm going to see what it tastes like. Let's go and bring this back up. I could pause on that, but this is just amongst friends to see if we like this or we don't like it. Is it worth it? Yeah, so I don't know. It does. I can still smell that scent, that odor, whatever you call it, from that product. So I can smell that above and beyond the coffee. I might just want to put a little dab of water, cold water, so I can try it. If you can see it, I'll tilt this down. you can see it's not really like, doesn't really look as like creamy as if you had half and half or milk in there. So you may have to use more of that. They said use 1 tablespoon. Well, that's a serving size. Let me look at that again. Because what if I supposed to put two tablespoons in there in coffee? I don't know, because with half and half, a lot of people use 2 of the half and half. Well, they didn't really have any instructions. That's right. I totally forgot. Yeah, it just says serving size of 1 tablespoon. So they have those little packages of half and half. Some people like to use 2 of those. Some people like to just free pour the half and half. Some people measure the half and half. Some people use milk, oat milk, almond milk, coconut milk. So many different kinds of milk out there. Some people like will use skimmed, full milk, half and half, low fat milk. Okay, I took 1 sip. Let me take another sip. Okay, it's good. It's also good to subscribe. Don't forget. It's good. Now, is it exactly like I'm used to? No, I'm not. It's different. Now, if your diabetes are way out of whack, and you're using some kind of a dairy product, like maybe one of these non-dairy products, some of those are really high in carbs because it's made up of chemicals. But like I always say, if there's a product for keto, for a low carb, for people like me, diabetics, that might want to do a low carb or a keto diet, that may be, that wanted to put back in the refrigerator, that may be your opportunity to have something that you wouldn't normally have. So you may be one of the type, I just can't have oatmeal, I can't have cereal, I can't have beans, I can't have rice, I can't have bread, I can't have donuts, I can't have candy, I can't. Well, here maybe you can. Maybe you don't want to eat it for every meal, but what if you say I can't eat cereal, then you find a keto cereal that maybe is like 2 or 3 net grams. Now you can try it. Well, it tastes exactly like the non-keto variety? No, because it doesn't have all those carbs. So if you find a keto or a low-carb product, it may or may not be what you are used to having prior to becoming or being diagnosed with diabetes, or if you're doing one that's low-fat, like that right there, no calories. So if you drink regular milk, there's gonna be calories. If you drink half and half, there'll be some calories. So these might be products that you can have for the first time in a long time. Because if you think you can't have any cereal, but now you find a cereal. If you think I can't have any creamer for my coffee, then you find a creamer. That might be something good. So I'm not saying it tastes exactly like milk. That did not taste exactly like half and half. This tastes different. It tastes good. If someone gave me this, prepared this for me, and made it handed me like that, I said, "Oh, I need a little more cream. It looks a little dark." I can drink black coffee, and I do. Like the other day, I was just monitoring my this one, my Libra 3, and I want to see what the difference between how much does a half and half one spike. If I have one little serving of half and half, it's gonna spike a little bit. Does it spike also with black coffee? And it does, but just a tiny bit. So I just want to see the difference. Does it really make the amount that the coffee is enjoyable to me with the half and half? Is it worth that tiny little spike? And maybe it is. Maybe I can skimp on my carbs elsewhere. But like I said before, it doesn't taste exactly like cream. It tastes good. It's just fine. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share. Let me know down here. Walden, was it Walden Farms? Okay, put it back. Yeah, Walden Farms. Walden Farms Original Creamer, it says. So since it says Walden's Farm Original Creamer, maybe they have some others. Maybe they have, I've seen eggnog creamer, strawberry creamer, all kinds of stuff that they have a creamer for that. And I guess people put in their coffee because it's called a creamer. I guess you can bake with stuff like that too. That's kind of small for baking, I'm sure, or cooking, or making a soup, or what's it called, a roux, when you make something for like a stew or whatever. But anyway, everybody have a great day. I'm not filming this on Tuesday. I'm filming this before Tuesday, and I think it's Tuesday the 17th. This will be out. We have other videos coming out, with a lot of other videos, a lot of good savings. If you go back here and you look at the savings from Grocery Outlet, you're going to see where I got that from. Grocery Outlet, Doherty, California. Down there, comments. Over there, subscribe, like, share. I need comments. I didn't know how important comments are. Comments are important. But if you do try this, or if you've tried any of their products, maybe you say, hey, they also have a great, whatever, a raspberry cheesecake. I don't know what else they have. Maybe they have all kinds of stuff. I don't know. But if it's keto and it's low carb or whatever, I'm willing to at least try it. Give it the benefit of the doubt that it's gonna be good. But if you want to go back that way, you'll see the kinds of things I get at grocery outlet. A lot of times people say, well, they'll write me back, how many more of those were there? So when I left, there was 14. There was 16, I bought 2, there's 14 left. I don't try to buy all of it. I mean, if it was a $30 item and they have it for 29 cents and they have 8 of them, I'll probably take them all. But they do have great sales there. I'm not getting paid to endorse Grocery Outlet. Grocery Outlet, tap, 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 I'm right here. But anyway, so yeah, take a look at that. Take a look. Try that Walden Farm if you get a chance and see what you think. When I left the store on this one, they had I think it's about 7 cases of 6 after I took my case of 6. Okay, take care.